Back in your life, ladies and gentlemen, Forex market situation update for the last day on our calendar week. We got the order window open, so you know what that means. We're just about to launch a bullish campaign on the Euro Japanese yen. And that was waiting to happen, right? Because we've been following up very closely Euro Japanese yen. We already took this one for a ride all the way to 130.73 not too long ago. We think we can replicate that move, guys. So that's what we're all about with this particular situation. Let's just start with the numbers. 128.50 is going to be our stop loss level, right somewhere around here. Profit targets 130.73, the same old profit target that we've already used successfully probably about two weeks ago. So why do we think it's gonna go back to that area? That's probably the question that's popping up in your head right now. Let me show you, for those of you who forgot, right, the technical situation of the Euro Japanese yen here. So we're looking at a particular movement that started roughly around July. And it's been very hectic and very noisy in the sense that price action was breaching the range and violating the range while it was basically breaking 129.27. From the weekly perspective, it was very clear that it did. But I'm going to show you how it looks like from the monthly perspective. Just mark that level here, 129.27. And I'm going to switch the monthly chart right now, and you can see what's going on here from this angle. You see what I'm talking about? 129.27 was never broken. Was never really broken, right? It was just pure noise. So, in light of this big turnaround, guys, we think this is the move that's going to take us back to 130.73 at the very minimum. We actually think it's going to go beyond, probably chase the previous high around 131.10. and possibly even check up with 131.42. Alright, so I mean, we're not going to aim all the way to the edge of that system. We're going to be focusing 130.73, as you can see. But let me tell you this, there's an obstacle not too far ahead, 129.96, which could pose some threat to this positive momentum. So before we get aggressive, we need to make sure price action can overcome this obstacle. Alright? Yeah, definitely 129.27, that is our mental stop loss level. So in case price action begins to pull back down and cross below that level, that's the only reason we would consider pulling out and pretty much, looking for opportunity somewhere else. Alright guys, so starting off with the Euro Jap, it's a new position, Friday. Let's see where this takes us. Euro Jap, Friday usually can be very volatile, so I would not be surprised to see the Euro Jap hitting that target, which is about 100 pip from where we're trading right now, by the end of the day. Right, not gonna be surprised at all, and I mean, wishful thinking. I hope it's gonna happen like that. But even if not, we're gonna come back, as early as Monday next week to pick it up right where we left, pretty much, right? Okay, Euro Jap. That's about that for this one. We got another big announcement to make on the next video where we're gonna be talking about the euro versus the pound. So